Hello dosto, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we will continue the remaining project on the Power BI, that is on a layoff 2022. The first part we already completed and the link is provided in the description. If you are not watched that one, please go and watch that video. And after that watch the second one. So you will understand what the things we had done in the first video and now what we will do in this video. Okay. So in the last video we had completed the map, after that one line graph, and we are given some heading and all these things. After that one we are just mark out here layout by using the lines. Okay, and now first of all we will fill the information here regarding the layoff 2022. Okay, so here I took the some information from the net and we will press that one here. So here it is basically what is a layoff and why the things is happening. So all these things are provided here. So here we will doing like the most common reason the layoff are happening. Okay, why the layoff is getting happen? Because of the merge of the company, relocation, buyouts, after that one cost cutting, and all these things are given here. After that one we will write down here why the layoff is more in 2022 rather than the pandemic. Okay, because we already seen in the pandemic the layoff is less than the 2022, and now just Google also lay off the 12,000 employees from their company. So it is a very serious matter. Okay. So we are here, it is showing like some mistakes are there. So we will remove that one first. Okay. Okay. So now we are put here like most common reasons, and now the pandemic helps the companies to get the rapid peace, both in terms of revenue and terms of employee. But now the layoff is getting started again, and the huge amount of layoff is happening in the 2022 and now in 2023 also. Okay, so here you can put like this also. You can take here one test box and you put can in a 2020 quarter 2 there is a layoff due to the pandemic, and now here in 2022 quarter 4 the layoff is happening because of the cost cutting and all these things. Okay, you can write down here also. After that one we will take again one new chart here and we will take here the cluster column chart, because now we how to show the relation what is the layoff during the pandemic and now what is the layoff after the pandemic. So what we will do on the x-axis, we will take on the x-axis we will take here the situation, and on y-axis we will take the total laid off. So here you can see the total amount of laid off in the post pandemic and in the pandemic. But now we have to show here the year wise. So what we can do, we will put this one into the legend and we will take the here date column, but into the date also we don't require the day, month and quarter. So here you can see here with the help of year also you can show. Otherwise you can do like this also, and like we can take with the industry also. So here we will take with the industry. So here you can see in the retail industry how much layoff is there in the transport industry, but it is not a sequence wise, correct? So what we will do, we will sort our axis and we will sort our axis like from the A to Z. Okay, so now here it is showing the blank also and we don't require the blank. So we will go into the industry and here we will click on the select all and we will not click on the blank. So now blank will remove from here. Now we will give some colors and all these things here. We don't require the y-axis. Okay, in the title we will put like the title layoff. Okay, and we will give here some bold, and here we will give the Arial black, so it will require the good now. After that one, in the legend, what we will do, we will only add the increase the size. Okay, and we will give here the color like black one. Title is the good one. After that one, on x-axis industry is there, we will increase the size of that one also, here aerospace and all these things, and here we will give the black color. In the title also we will increase, we will give the bold one, and here black one we will add, and we will see here what is the industry. Okay, so now it is looking the good. After that one, we have to change the color and all these things. So in the general, we will increase the transparency, but here the column color is not a good one. I don't like that one. So what I will do, I will just change the color of the columns. Okay, so in the pandemic we will give the like this color, and in the post pandemic we will give the like a blue color, yellow one. We'll take some light shade. Okay, so it is also looking the good. After that one, here the sum of total laid off is not a good. I don't like the title, and always the title should be the good one. So you will understand what the things will getting happen. Regard, if you will see the title, you will see that one. Now here we will see what we can write down here. Like we can write down related to industry and the laid off. Okay, so impact of, or we can write down here the how much layoff we can write down here the difference. Okay, we can write down layoff difference in industries. So it will show like what is the difference is there with the industry. Okay, and the impact of the layoff also. We will add this into the, we'll see that what is the here color. Okay, so heading 3 and dean will be there, so we will check that one also. Heading 3 and dean, and the color is there, that is the blue one. Okay, and I think here the 16 size is there, so we will also add to the 16. Okay, now the next thing what we will do, we will copy this graph, and again we will paste here, and we will take that one here. Now here I want to show with the, okay, so here we want to show like the company name and the layoff, which company is having the highest layoff we have to show here. Okay, or we can show the which country is having the highest layoff. Okay, so we will take the country name on y-axis, and we can take the total laid off on the x-axis. Okay, and in the country we will take here the like this graph. So what will happen now, now on the y-axis it will, we can filter this value, we can take up to the 10. Now we will do the basic filter, we will take here the top n, and in the top n value we can put the 15 here, and we have to do the filtering on based on the layoff. Okay, so now here you can see the layoff between the countries, and we have to again take here when we have, we will add here one filter, and regarding the year we have to take for only the year 2022. So now we will add that one also. So here you can see the total layoff during the year 2022 in a United States, in India. Okay, so these things you can see here. After that one, what we will do, we will do some here changes in our graph regarding the color and all these things. So in the bar we will put the like this color red one. After that one, here on x-axis country is there. Okay, layoff will be there. We will try to, okay, so if what we will do, we will take the legion data labels we will add, and in the data labels what we can do, we can put the none to the values that unit. We will put the none, so it will show our the full value. Okay, after that one, the color we will change into the black one, and we will do some bold here, so it will look good. Now background, we do not have to add the background. After that one, here we have to change the title, so we will go into the title, and here we will lay off in different countries, or we can write down the top 15 layoff. Top 15 countries, top 15 countries where layoff occur. Okay, and here in a bracket we will put the 2022, so it will look like this is a data set regarding the 2020. Okay, now what we will do, we will just take here downward, and here also we will take the upward, so it will become the match now. After that one, here you can see that we had added the country also, but here you can see like the labels. Okay, that font is there now, that is a different is looking. Okay, so what we will do now, we will change the font of that one. We had taken here the din, so we will take here the din, or here we will see what is that one on here title is a din is there. Okay, so here also we will put the title as a din, because we have to put the symmetry everywhere. Din we will put here. Here also we will change to the din, and on x-axis also we have to change here with a din. Okay, so it looks good now. After that one, here we are taken the countries. Now here what we will do, we will take here like the stage of the company, in which stage the company is there. Okay, so like this something we will take here. So we have to do the analysis regarding in which state the company has done the most layoff. So now what we will do, here we will take the one tornado chart that I had took from the extra chart, that additional chart we had took. After that one, here what we have to do, here we have taken the country. Okay, and now but in the group what we have to do, we have to take the stage, what types of stages are there. So in the legend we will put the stage. After that one, the next things what we will do, we had put here stage. In a group we have to put like what is the situation will be there, or we have to take like in a values we will take the total laid off and fundraise. So it will looks like how much fund they are raised during that layoff. Okay, So stage we will put here, and now sum of fundraise and sum of laid. So here you can see like the total fund they had raised. After that, the total laid off. What is the laid off is there. Okay. Now we have to change the color. So data color sum of fundraise we will put like blue, and the total sum of laid off we will put like this color. Okay. So data labels we have to put like, we will increase the size of the data labels so the values should be the clear. We will put the unit none is there. After that, inside fill and outside fill, both the fills we will put in a same color. Okay. After that, in a group, the color we will put the black. The black color we will put. We will increase the size, and here if you will see the blank is there, so we have to remove that blank. So what we will do, we will go here, top 15 we had done, so we'll remove that one from the industry and the stage. So in the stage we will filter, select all, remove the blank. So now blank will remove. Okay. After that one, here if you will see the 2022 data set we are given. After that one, now into the data color we had changed, we had put all the things. In the title we will change the title. Now we will put the comparison between comparison between number of layoffs and fund raised. Okay, so we have to put these things here. So how much fund is raised there, and what is the layoff is getting happen. Okay, so now here all the things are set. Put the normal heading. After that one, the next things here we will put again the one chart, that is same chart will be there. And now what we will do here we will take regarding the companies, like which company has done the most layoff, we have to see that one. So what we will do, at the place of this one we will put the company, and in the company we will take the only top 10 companies. Okay, and we will apply the filter here. Okay, so first we have to remove this one, and here we will put the top 10 sum of total laid off, and we will apply the filter. So here you can see the top 10 companies that is laid off the employees. So here the Meta is the top one, after that the Amazon. So from this one we have discovered very good thing, like which company has done the most layoff into the 2022. Okay, top 10 companies where the layoff occurs. Okay, all these things we had said here now. So after that one, what we can do now here, If we will click on the United States, so it will give the result of the United States like April, January 2022, how much layoff is there. After that one in April 2022, how much layoff is there, in which types of industry that layoff is occur more. All these things we will get here. Okay. In USA, Meta, Amazon, Cisco, all the companies have done the layoff. So these things of information we are getting here. If we will click on India, so it will shows the Byju's has done the most layoff like 2500, but it will not showing me the all the details regarding the companies. Suppose I will click on the India, it will only showing me the Byju's had done the layoff, but what about the other countries, other companies? Okay, so for that one what we will do, we will here add the one tool page. Okay, so in the tool page we will take into the 16:9, and after that one what we will do, we will take here the, we will change the color first because the last one color is the light blue, so we will take that one, and transparency we will decrease here. After that one here I will take the one table. Okay, and in this table the things that we will add, the first one is their country. After that one the company, which is the company is there. After that one the total laid off, we will check that one how much total laid off is there. And this filter what we will do here, we will take for only the 2022. Okay, after that one again anything we have to add, so we can add that one also, like here we can add now the which type of industry is that one, but basically we require this much information. And here we will do the some formatting. So here we will change the grid color, like we will put the black grid, and vertical grid lines we will done, and this one also we will put the black one. After that one the column header we will change, and we will do the bold here, and we will put into the din, and we will increase the size. Okay, after that one the next thing, totally we will change that one. Mm, okay. After that when the next things we will do, we will change the sum column header, we will go into the dark blue. Okay. Now the next things what we have to do here, we will take the one bar chart. See here, now we are seeing here key this one United States is happening, how much layoff, which companies is happen. Okay, this information we can see here, but now we have to check the percentage wise which country had done the most layoff. So I will add here the one bar donut chart, and in that one what we will do, we will take the company names into the legend, and here we will take the total percentage of laid off. Okay, now it is looking like this, but when we will take the into the, when we will convert this one into the tool page, so it will change. Okay, okay. And we will effect remove that. Okay, and for this one also we'll go into the effect, We will try to remove the background. Okay. Now see what we will do here now. We will just click here. Okay. In the page setting, first we will go and into the page information. We will allow this page to, we can use that one as a tooltip if we will give the permission. Okay. Now here we will come and here we will click and into the tooltip now. Into the tooltip we will add the paste. Now see, if you will click on the this one, so here you can see which company has done the layoff percentage wise. Okay, after that one here also you can see, but what the things is happening here now, if we will see here in the United States also the many companies are there that has done the layoff, correct? But what the things we have to do, we don't want like this. Now in the United States there will be the many companies that have done the layoff. So what we will do here, for the companies we will do the top 15 companies. Okay, as per the layoff, and we will try to apply the filter. Okay, so if you will see here the top 15 companies, you can see here now. Here also if you will go, so here you can see the top 15 companies which had done the layoff. Okay, after that one, here we have to add the again one filter, like in the basic filtering we had done. Okay, so here also we have to add that one. In the year we have to take, and here we will take only for the 2022. Here the companies, we will do the top 15 companies we have to see, and as per the percentage of laid off, and apply the filter. And here we will change the title first. Here we will see the top 15 companies, top 15 2022. Okay, we will do the bold. Okay, so now if we will go into our first page and if we will click on the USA now, you can see here that the company Rubius. Okay, so it has the highest percentage of layoff. So like this information we can see here, or after that one here if you will see, so here I have taken the company country. Okay, so here what we will do, we will add the top 10 only. Okay, so now if we will go here again and if we will check here, here. Okay, now we will go to the United States and here you can see the Twitter and all these things have the most layoff. Okay, so if you will see here now, so it will show you the top 10 companies regarding the highest laid off in a percentage. Okay, way. And here if you will see, you can see the top 10 top 15 companies in United States which had done the total layoff. Okay, so now what is the difference in the percentage and in the layoff? Because Amazon is having the more number of employees rather than the Twitter. So the layoff percentage is there because of that one. Okay, highest percentage in the Twitter and the lowest percentage in the Amazon. But now here if you'll see in the second page, the heading is there, that is the different one, top 15, but we had done here the top 10. So what we will do, we'll change the heading here. First one we have to change, we have to change the heading. So here we will do the top 10. Okay, and now here we have to put the some information on a page number 1, because this the project that we had done here, in that one we had not taken any data related to employee's name, his age, his his profession and all these things. We are not considered that one. So we will write down here the one note only, like we are not considering the all these things while doing the data set. Okay, while doing the work. So we will take download here. Here we are not considering the data related to employee name, age, gender, etc. We are only considering company company name, location, location, type of industry, etc. The data is from the date of data, that is from the 2020 to Jan 2023, correct? But we done the analysis only for year 2022. Here again we will write down the data is taken from layoff.com, and we had took this data from the Kaggle, so we will write down here the Kaggle. Okay, so like this information we had put here. Because of that one, if someone will ask regarding which type of data you are considering while doing the analysis, or like these questions, we can answer here. Okay, and we will increase here the size. Okay, we will convert this into the din. Okay, here also we will go and we will do the calibrate for this data set, and we will increase here the size up to the 14 or up to the 16. We will do. Okay, bold here. Okay, so like this project we can do here. We can go into the advanced also in our third part. Like here we will try to use the HTML language while doing the analysis. Okay, so hope all of you are like this project. So subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share with your friends. Comments on my channel what type of the next project I have to take for the analysis. Okay, and support me. Thank you very much. Bye, have a nice day.